Here's a fun little son of a bitch. This is a Cushman white truck, they call them. I can't find anything on here. Just this VIN number here. So no manufacturer plate or anything. It's pretty cool though. It's a 4-cylinder Mitsubishi. I think it's about 1100 cc. The thing absolutely hauls ass. I mean, shit, it's only, I don't know, 60 horsepower or so. But, so anyway, this they call this a Japanese minivan or mini truck. Japanese mini vehicles. And this thing is just fun as shit. It really runs, drives, and handles quite well. It's a 3-speed currently, but you can release 4th and 5th gear. This thing would absolutely fly down the freeway. Everywhere else in the world, they drive these things 80 miles an hour all day long, but here they're limited. This one has been released, so it will no longer just stop at 22 miles an hour. It will go up to 43 miles an hour now, and that's first, second to third. And Cushman Textron, Textron, Textron Industries Incorporated. Solid little bastards. Solid, man. They are built for the long freaking haul. Listen to this. Listen to that. Listen to this. Shit. This thing's a great little van. It's got 15,969 kilometers on it, so figure that out in miles per hour, and the clock works perfectly. This thing's a bitchin' little son of a bitch. Let me tell you that right now. Someone said they wanted to go for a test drive. All right, here we go. Try and one-hand it, shift and everything. It turns just really tight. This little thing honks. Like I say, if you reverse or if you unlock 4th and 5th gear, then you'll have a 5-speed 4-cylinder. What the hell does this thing weigh? About 1,200 pounds. Hold on! Whoa! Hold on! Well, there you have it. Japanese minivan. Thing hauls ass, runs really good, strong, super strong. It's gonna need an oil change, which I'll try and do. This rear button here has fallen inside the door, so I gotta remove the door panel from the inside, pull the button out, and put the clip back on. So it's there, it's just inside the door. So I'm going to try and do that here, maybe tomorrow. Pickles, are you driving? You driving drunk again, Pickles? Yes, you are. Okay, let's wait for traffic here, and I think we'll just That's a hell of a lot of fun. 7:55 p.m. That's mountain time.